Hello everyone. Today we are going to revise the first chapter of poetry section, that is the road not taken. Let me introduce about this chapter. This article or poem deals with road not taken, written by Robert Frost, and it was first published in 1916. The Road Not Taken summary is a poem that describes the dilemma of a person standing at a road with diversion. And this is not only happen with poet. This happens with all the person in this world. This diversion actually symbolizes real life situation. Sometimes in life too, there comes times when we have to take tough decisions. We could not decide what is right and what is wrong. Driven by hopes and ambitions, we take a decision taken by fewer people. We think that if fail to seek accomplishments, we could get a chance to change and start again. However, we travel too far and have to regret at the end. Also, it is possible that we could not become an extraordinary person because of that one decision. Thus, the road not taken summary focuses or highlights on making wise decision in life. So, in short, whenever you are on the path of taking decision, better to think twice, be aware before taking decision. So let's talk about the summary of the chapter. This article is all about, as I told you, the road not taken. The road symbolizes here life. It is written by Robert Frost. It explains about the road not taken. This poem signifies a situation where the poet was walking down a road that had a diversion. He had to choose between the two paths, and both the paths diverted in different directions. Since he was a single person, he could choose only one of two paths. We can understand if we are having two different paths and a person is standing here, so we have to think about both the paths, but we are unable to follow or to walk on both. So, being in the mouth of the road, poet was also in chaotic situation. He was very much confused that which one will be better for him. Now he has to choose one. So the wood here refers to jungle. Here it refers, the word means jungle. The wood was yellow, which represent a world full of people who have been residing for many years. The poet kept standing at that fork and looked at the path very carefully. As I told you that he was a single, so he was unable to follow or to move from both the road. He looked as far as he could. Before moving forward on one path, he wants to understand how it was. Was it suitable for him to walk on it or not? He was able to see the path till from where it got curved. As I told you that the roads were diverged in two different paths. So what he did, he looked both the road very carefully, but both the roads were under beneath. It was hidden. It got curved because it was covered with bushes or trees. So he was unable to get what it is next. So he wanted to understand the advantages and disadvantages of the path. The same happens in life too. We have to make decisions thinking about its good and bad consequences in the future. So, poet looked at one path for a long time to decide whether it's good or not for him. Then he takes the alternative path as he feels that both paths are equally good. He feels that the path he chose was better for me. The path was grassy, which depicted that it was walked over very few people, and also it was wanted wear. Wanted wear here refers less people. It was traveled by less people only. It depicted that the path was unused. However, as he walked on the path for some distance, he realizes that both the paths were similarly worn out. Even in our life, also, every decision has its own good and bad consequences. We might think we are in a better position than the other, but it is not real. It's not reality. The person, those who are following that path, could understand what the actual condition is. So here also the poet articulate that the two paths looked similar that morning. Both were having leaves on them. No one stepped on that, and thus they were green. He decided to move forward on one path and keep the other for another day. Now, here also, another day refers to another birth, because it's not possible for a person to be back again to start. Although he knew that he would not be able to return back as one path would lead to another. This happens in life too. If we make a decision and move forward in that direction, we think that we would get a chance to start over again if we fail, but that does not happen. The poet also articulates that sometime in the future he will take a deep breath and tell that once in a lifetime he had to take a tough decision. He was standing at the division of two roads. Both looked him equally well. Thus he decides to move forward on the road which fewer people took. As a result, it has made him what he is today. That one decision shaped his future. This happens with everyone. That's why again and again the poet solicit that before taking decision be careful and aware and think twice. Similarly, Similarly, in the future, when we grow up and then we have to say that once upon a time, back in the day when you were in your youth, you have to take tough decision. The choice made by you had made you what you are today. Thus, the article of the poem, The Road Not Taken summary, gives a very strong message. It conveys a very strong message to the people. It also articulates us to be careful in making decisions in life. One should be very wise and careful while making choices, as our choices shape our future. Also, once we make a decision, it is very difficult to change and again to start. It's really very difficult to start again. So, one bad decision could make us regret it throughout life. All this depends on the choices we make today. So, this is only a message or a central idea of this poem, that whenever you are on the path of decision, so here Robert Frost solicits you to take your decision very carefully, aware yourself, better to think more than twice. People must think wisely once before taking decision. Thank you and have a good day.